These are the door alarms that you will see on many of our houses that have pools here in Mesquite for Jay and Amy. This one in particular is being shown because it's got a little bit of a unique outside bypass on it, but the bypass is the same for all of them. The placement on this one is a little different. This is at Casa Mesquite on Blue Ridge Lane. Anyway, in order to avoid hearing this horrible noise, what you want to do when you get here is let that light stop blinking. That light will stop blinking, and there's a button right here below the light. You want to press that. It'll give you some time to get outside. So anyway, you press that button, let go, open the door. When you get outside, you'll close the door. That simple. And then to get back inside, the reason I'm showing this one is because of the way the screen door, or the screen is, it's a kind of a flexible screen, as you can see, and the bypass is right here. But this is the bypass that you'll see on all the doors. You do the same thing with this bypass. Press it, open the door, close the door. And there you have it. That light will stop blinking as it has there, indicating that all the connections are good and everything's ready to go. But those are the alarms for the doors to prevent the kids from going out there without your knowledge.